Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. Let's go. Wow!
That was crazy.
Nice, bro.
That was crazy.
Nandito ulit tayo guys sa shooting range. I-testing ko na today yung fourth AR na na-build ko. I found some friends here on the ranch, guys, and I'm happy to to shoot with them. Hi, bro.
Hey, how's it
And
going?
enjoy your day here in the shooting range. They have a lot of this is Glock. What is this, bro?
It's a 17 with a 17 grip, 19 barrel. So it's basically a hybrid.
Oh, 17 with 19 barrel?
Yeah, a Glock 17 grip with a Glock 19 barrel.
Oh, is it possible? Oh! Oh, this is Glock 17, right?
Yeah, Glock 45.
Oh, yeah.
Exactly, I'm telling you.
Oh, enough, bro.
There you go.
Pretty good.
Pretty
Got a lot of
good?
kick to it, but good.
Uh-huh.
Good.
Yeah.
Those attachments are.
Okay. Before I try this one with on the fence there, this is 300 yards.
Wait, right here to the fence?
Yeah.
Okay.
The pepper dot here. And I did.
All the way from here?
Yeah.
Dang.
Okay, I try here.
Go for it.
Oh, damn. Woo. Okay.
Let it out, yeah. Dang.
Yeah, hit.
I was waiting for that. That's a 30, man.
It's also depending like on how you're holding it, like, you know what I mean?
You gotta put one of those on, bro.
I do. I need some more practice for sure. Who are they playing?
Watch.
Ah,
Ooh!
that your pistol?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah? Because I want to try the holographic on it.
I think
Yeah.
this magazine is also fit here, right?
Yeah, they should fit.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's the 26.
All those fucking shots. You have to just go through them real quick. Can you take these ones for next time around here? Or? 300, bro. I'm taking 100. Yeah. Oh. There you go. That are like really tight.
Depends which one you're getting. There's good ones you can get. Most of the time, it's maybe
Nice, bro.
nice. Thank you. Might try it, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, nice, bro. I think you can join competition now.
You think so?
Yeah, yeah.
Just slide them on. Hey, watch, let me see. And I was like, this is the best $20 ever spent.
Uh-huh.
$20. For the good time. We're gonna
Yeah.
watch your video.
Yeah, yeah.
Watch them all.
Thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel.
Yeah, no problem, man.
Yeah, yeah.
We'll keep an eye on your videos, man.
Yeah, yeah,
Hopefully we see each other out here again.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you guys.
Nice
Yeah, yeah.
meeting you.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, brother. Thank you.
Yeah,
Hopefully, we'll see you next time soon.
yeah, yeah. Hopefully.
Definitely tapping with you.
Yeah, yeah.
Nice seeing you.
Okay.
You have a good day.
Yeah, you too, bro. Ayun guys, yung mga na-meet ko ulit dito sa shooting range, mga kapwa, mahilig din mamaril, and it's good we stay together. Nag-park sila sa tabi ko, then we enjoy. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please don't forget to click the subscribe button below and click the notification bell. Thank you.